your device is not compatible with this version. Maybe this has happened to you too. When you want to download a game or an application, you're told that your phone is not compatible with this version. What should you do to solve these problems? That's what we're going to see today in this video. Before we start, consider subscribing if you encounter these difficulties downloading the game because your phone is not compatible. Here's what you need to do. Now access the settings on your phone. Scroll down to here's what you find here. App ejection or app ejection, click. Then now come here to app settings. You will see the archive bar here. Tap here on the archive bar, Play Store. Then now click here on Google Play Store. Then now click here on Storage and Cache. Click. Then come here to Clear Cache and Clear Storage. Click on OK. Once that's done, now go back. Then scroll down until you find System here. And for this phone's back, you will see About Phone. So it depends on your phone. But for the same, it's the system. I click here on System. And then you will see here, System Software Update. Click here on Update. Then now you will see here, Online Update or Local Update. Click on Online Update. Then you will see here, you will be asked to continue. Simply click on Continue and you will update your phone system. That is to say, if you update your phone, it will move from this version to reach its final version. Thus, you were able to solve the football incompatibility issue, and this will allow you to download certain games that are not compatible with your phone. Since the update helps to correct biases on the phone, improve the phone's performance, and transition from one version to another to reach its final version. If you found the video helpful, feel free to give it a like and subscribe. Thank you and see you soon.